Wait a minute! What are you so excited about? Here, it's yours! Wait. Meron tayong package. So, i-open ko siya kasi para to kay Casey. See that? You ready for your ride? Mag-ride ng motorcycle and isama siya namin. So, binilan siya namin ito. We'll see if it's gonna fit. It's very tiny.
We're gonna try it now.
Look at this. Wait a minute, it's tiny. We're so excited. Look at guys. Oh guys, it's very cute. Oh, it's cute. Oh, look at this, Casey. Wait, let's open it. Ready? Let's see. Now you get a good boy. Come here, be good boy. We'll try it on.
I don't think it goes like that. What are you trying?
I want to put on his eyes. How this gonna work? Casey, you wanna ride the motor? You be good.
I kind of figured it would have a strap that goes around his neck too.
It has a strap. There were 2 straps.
Yeah.
Casey, he got nuts.
There's
Okay, we'll come down.
no way you're gonna get him to wear
Calm
that.
down and we'll put this on so you can go with us. Ang hirap ilagay, oy.
There's no way you're gonna get him to wear it.
We can. I'm gonna put you some medicine to calm you down. Put this on your eye.
You have to drug him.
Drug. Ay, nako. Casey, you want some treat? Where's the treat? Go sit. You be good boy. Put this first. Teka nga. Hindi ko maayos, oy. Si Casey kasi, tingnan mo ang cute niya. Ay, Casey. Where's the spray? Saglit nga lang. Si Alex ang maglagay. Oh, put it on. I'm gonna hold them.
Trying to figure out how to do it.
You put that on my eye and put that one in the back and this is the neck. This is on the neck. This is on the back.
Then it would be this way. I don't know. No, I think it's supposed to be this way. This is on top of his head.
Sige, tingnan ito. Stop. You try.
It's not even close to fitting him. It's not going to fit him. I don't know how the hell they figure. It has a nose like a person.
I had a picture with a dog.
Oh, I think it goes like this. You put that underneath and this on top.
That's what I did earlier. Casey,
But it's not the right shape.
what kind of dog are you?
No way. I mean, maybe one of those freaking fat dogs, those bulldogs.
Look at him. It fit, but it's not gonna cover the whole thing.
It doesn't fit. Maybe a bulldog or something like that.
I'm gonna try to adjust it. Hindi siya mag-fit kay Casey, oy. Tingnan mo. So, ayaw niya. Hindi siya gagana para kay
Doesn't
Casey.
fit his mug.
I-return siya namin kay very big. And yung ulo kasi niya is malaki. Tapos yung mata niya maliit. And hindi siya kasya. Kasya siya sa akin. Go. Ang kagandahan lang dito sa US, pag bumili ka ng stuff and hindi mo siya nagustuhan, pwede mo siyang i-return and i-refund nila yung pera mo. Return. What? I don't like the color. Yan. Oh, wow. And marami siyang storage sa loob. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nilagay ko na dun yung stuff ko. Very nice siya, guys. Tingnan nyo ha kung paano siya. Pwede mo siyang isit. Pwede itong umupo. If you like. Or like this. Tapos, meron pa akong isang bubuksan yung vanity. Busy si Mahal, may kausap. So, hindi ko siya maabala. So, buksan natin yung vanity. Ito siguro yung pinakamahal na nabili ko dito sa bahay. Para sa akin. I already have my vanity. And I want to put it there on the bedroom. Okay, let's go. Kasi we're going. Magkuha kami ng stuff doon sa tindahan. Magbili din kami ng mga fruit trees ngayon. So, iwanan ko na muna to. Kay alis kami. Di pa ako nakakapaglinis. Kasi umalis din kami kaninang umaga. Busy-busy yung buhay ko. Kaya minsan, hindi na rin ako nakakapag-video. Kasi tinatamad na ako. Tapos ang dami naming ginagawa. So, wala nang oras.
Get in your work.
Get up here. Come on. Hey, climb up here. Ulan-ulan ng konti. I want Kalamudin.
They're just the same as small.
No, don't keep going. Meron siyang bunga. Kainin ko. Sour. Yun na. Bibilhin siya namin. Kasi. Meron pa siya. Meron na siyang bunga. Bilhin siya natin. Tapos, longgan. It's huge. Namdak my mango. Yung namdak my mango namin na kinuha. Meron na siyang flower. Three of them. Bali, yung ganito karami, ano na siya, 10,000 na siya, mahigit. Pero dapat hindi ko siya kino-convert sa peso. Kasi, okay lang kasi, mahal talaga. This is the mirror. Ang daming mga cartons. What is that? Is that a chair? It's very tiny. You wait here and be good boy. Iwan na naman namin yung ginagawa namin. Punta kami ng tindahan. Kasi kailangan ko ng prutas para bukas. Lapit na siyang matapos. Ayan. Mayroon niya mga lights dito. Churong. So, magluto ako ng gabihan bago. Tapos, ginagawa niya yung gamit ko. So, ito yung lulutuin ko. Pink. Tapos, ito. Ang gagamitin ko. Casey. Every time I sit down, he always wants to pet him. Stop it. No, good boy, stay. Madog. Oh, this one, pecha. Dog. Look at the belly dog. The eggy. Too eggy there. Got no choice because they won't accept the rabbit. You know what? I don't know how to put it in. It has to be slide, right? I think I got it. Very nice. It's the huge one. Here.
I'm not done with that other one.
So,
Everything has to be perfect.
oh guys, so yung vanity na pinakita ko sa inyo nung nakaraan, yung ginagawa namin, tapos na siya, and hindi ko lang natapos yung vlog nung gumagawa ako ng video kasi yung camera ko is nalobat, and okay na yung vanity, maganda na siya, like nandito na siya, ito na yung, kita nyo ba? Ayan siya yung result niya. So okay siya, yung result is okay siya, and yung binayad ko is worth it naman, kaya hindi ako nag-regret sa binayad ko. But anyway, tatapusin ko na yung vlog kasi mag-shower na ako, and after 2 days na to bago ko siya na finish yung video. Natapos tong vanities 3 days ago, I think. Tapos hindi lang ako nakapag vlog, hindi ko lang siya na finish. But anyway, I'm going to finish the vlog now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.